my truck hasn't been starting just for the last couple of days, but it's been running really roughly, especially in reverse. But basically, I've been having an electrical problem. You know how those can be in my 92 Chevy. Checking a lot of things, orifice tube, alternator, battery cables, all the grounds for everything, basically. Pretty much took everything off. And it just kept getting worse. I had an oil leak. I thought maybe it was a pressure problem, low on oil, low on transmission fluid, lots of different things, but wanted to show y'all what I found. Because I've been at it for a couple of weeks. But the one thing that you want to check, the braided cords, the ropes. I basically call them grounding straps. Really hard to find these online. So once you're able to locate a broken wire like I did, strap, you can kind of see on these, there should be 4. There's gonna be 1 below these cooling lines. It connects down, you can see it right there. It's hanging, connects down underneath here. You also have 1 over here by the battery, and then you got 1 back by the gas tank. So those should be, for the most part. When you look online for these, this one's really bad, by the way. I got a valve gasket leak, I think. I just need to replace the gaskets. It's just kind of seeping out the sides. For these Chevys and the older school vehicles, I'm gonna say you're not gonna have much luck online. A lot of these holes and these connectors are a quarter, so you're gonna end up trying to drill them out, and that's not very feasible. As you can see, they're not like built to last. The main reason I want to do this video is because this grounded strap back here is super hard to not only locate, but then get off. I'm gonna see if I can find the rest of it here. You can see right here, you can barely see me holding it. That's where it was busted, right up here, and it went up. So the second thing is you're gonna need about probably 13 inches, but I went ahead and got 15 inches. I ended up having to order 2 more just in case, so I can have them. The one back by the fuel tank, fuel door, I guess, I think it's only 10 or 11, but you know, you get my drift. It's better to be long than short. You know, for me, man, I couldn't get up underneath it this way. I got my truck lift, so I got this thing jacked up all the way. Standing underneath, I can't reach it. And what I ended up having to do is use both hands with a wrench. By the way, a 92 Chevy K25 is 14 millimeter, I want to say. Yeah, 14. I think I saw a video that was 15. But I basically had to set it back. I'm showing you this because, you know, it took me a long time to figure out how I was just gonna get it off or get it on even. Basically, I had to go down at the angle this way with my left hand, and since I'm holding the camera with my right hand right now, you can't really see, but down this way, I would reach with my right hand and basically guide the wrench onto that, and then slowly turn it all the way till it came off. And obviously, I need to do a lot of cleaning back there because I don't want to do this again. But the main reason, like I said, sharing this video, showing you where it is, where a problem could be. I mean, I checked everything, ran through the wires. I got other problems, but once I did find it, I was super excited. Right there, I was kind of looking through videos and stuff. I've probably been spending 2 hours on this, dripping sweat up 15 feet in the air on this board, trying to get a good angle. This is the best angle this way. Down, get your wrench around this hose, and right in between transmission line, feel it, reach this hand back around this way, guide it on, and then turn it. Make sure that obviously you're remembering where that hole is. You know, it's not as difficult. Good luck. Give me a good shot from below, going right up through here. It's a little closer. Definitely need a camera, man. Right underneath those lines. Once you find that one, trace it down. It's gonna go right up underneath. I dropped the bolt. Clean that sucker off pretty good. Straight it on. Ready to rock and roll. Took me a few tries, but I got it through.